Alright, what's up everybody and welcome to this video. In today's video I will show you how business partner and I have been able to generate over $22 million in sales last year alone in 2023 with Instagram. You can see the payment processor over here, it's refreshed, you can see all of those numbers are real, it's scope card, and yeah, you can see the date over here, 1st of January 2023 until the 31st of December 2023, $22 million in cash collected. And yeah, we did it all with Instagram. And I know if you're watching this video right now, those numbers might look absolutely insane to you. And I just want to say one thing: getting to those numbers is quite unrealistic, right? But you can make an extra $3,000 to $5,000, maybe $10,000 a month with Instagram. And today's training, I will show you the exact strategies and frameworks that my business partner and I have been, able to use to generate over $22 million in sales last year, right? Plus, what I will do is at the end of this video, I will invite you to my private test group, my brand new mentorship program for 2024, and you'll be able to get a 90% done for your business, 300 plus HD video lessons, the consulting club event recording with Ty Lopez, and you'll be able to get the exact strategies that my clients and I use to make $100,000 plus per month with Instagram. And some of them, they make even more money. Philip, for example, I showed you guys the payment processor. In the record month, he made over $3.3 million with Instagram. And the cool thing is that, I started working with him when he was just at $30,000 a month, right? You can see a screenshot over here from Instagram. He messaged me at the beginning of 2022, and he was like, hey bro, I'm stuck at 30K a month, and I tried to scale with shoutouts, but no luck. I saw your free training and decided to book a call with your team this Tuesday. I have a question. You say in your stories you help people get to 10K a month. Yes, that's what we normally do, and I've been able to help hundreds, literally hundreds, maybe even thousands of people get to $10,000 a month. And yeah, then he asked, but what about people who want to scale to 100K a month, just like you? This was, beginning of 2022. 1 year later, you can see February 2023 over here, he was at $1.6 million a month, right? And Phil worked one-on-one with me, and you will, actually at the end of this video, have the chance to start working one-on-one with me too. But before we do that, I want to actually teach you something and show you exactly how my clients and I make $100,000 plus per month with Instagram. But yeah, before we dive into that, a little introduction about who I am and what I do. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Niklas Pedde. I'm 23 years old, and yeah, I moved to Dubai at the age of 18 on my own. I'm the founder and CEO of Phoenix Media, which is an agency, and yeah, we basically work with business owners, but also with beginners, and we help them basically to build their following on Instagram and to make money with it, right? Now, some of the results that I've been able to produce was, first of all, at the beginning of 2019, when I moved to Dubai, I generated over $1 million in sales with an Instagram account that had less than 15,000 followers. By now, by 2024, I've generated over $10 million in sales with my own business, right? With Instagram. I have multiple 2 Comma Club awards, over here on the wall, there's actually 3. And yeah, thanks to Instagram and the business that I've built, I've even been able to buy my dream cars, a Lamborghini Huracan, you can see them over here, and a Mercedes G63 at the age of 22. And, I helped many of my clients to get insane results. I showed you one of the case studies from Philip over here. I helped him scale from 30K a month to over $3 million a month. And yeah, we became business partners. And last year alone, we generated over $25 million in sales, right? And yeah, in the last 7 years, I've gotten to know lots of amazing people through the business that I've built on Instagram. People like Ty Lopez and Raul Plikat. I'm even business partners with both of them. With Ty, I own a bar together in Norway, and Raul, he just started a new company and did a friends and family round, and I invested over 150,000 euros into his business to work together with him. So let's talk about how I went from being a broke student to making over $100,000 a month with Instagram. And yeah, the truth is, it basically all started with a dream. Look, I was in school, I was a broke student, I had no idea what to do with my life, but one thing was sure: after school, I wanted to travel the world. I wanted to see the most beautiful places. I actually wanted to go to Australia with a friend of mine, and we wanted to travel through the whole country. But the problem was I had no money, right? I grew up in a normal, average German family. My parents never had enough money. My mom, actually, she had cancer when I was, how old was I? 10 years old. And yeah, a lot of money went into the treatments and everything. So we never really had money for any exciting things, for luxury or whatever. And yeah, that's why I got a 9-to-5 job in the summer holidays to make some money so that I could travel through Australia. But the truth is, I absolutely hated it. I was waking up early in the morning, I think at 6:30 a.m. or something, worked all day long until 5:30, 6 p.m. in the evening, was getting paid $9 or $10 an hour, and the job was horrible, right? And while working in that job, I saw all these people online on social media, traveling the world, making money. You know, I was following these typical gurus on Instagram, and I saw 19, 20-year-old guys traveling the world, making $100,000 a month, buying their dream cars, and I was like, hey, I want this lifestyle too. I need to break out of the 9-to-5 system. I don't, after school, want to just go to university and get a normal job. I want to live a life of freedom, right? And that's why I decided to start my own online business. You know, I started searching for ways how I can make money online, took a look at all of the different business models, like dropshipping, Amazon FBA, YouTube automation, all those different things. And I asked myself the question, Niklas, what are all those people doing that you see on social media making money to really make their money? Because, you know, they talk about dropshipping, Amazon FBA, this and that, but is that how they really make money? And that's what I asked myself. And the answer was no. The answer to, how they make all the money was that they have a following and they sell something, right? And when I figured out that building a following is the key to making money online, I decided to start my first Instagram account, right? But actually without showing myself, because back in the days I was shy. I didn't want to show myself online, but luckily I found this business model, Instagram theme pages, where you can build a following and brand on Instagram without actually showing yourself, right? And for the first 8 months I struggled. I didn't get any results, but then after, you know, getting a mentor, I actually made my first $1,000 with Instagram, and that was a game changer, because when I saw my phone, hey Niklas, you just made your first $1,000 online, everything changed. I got more confidence. I went all in, and within 30 days I made $10,971. I then finished school and traveled through whole Australia with a friend of mine, was running my online business while that. This is actually back in 2018. You can see it over here. Crazy to think about it. It's nearly like 6 years ago. But yeah, here's a screenshot from my payment processor. In 2018, I made $26,000 or euros actually over here in 1 month, and that's just one payment processor. In total, it was over $36,000. But that was 2018. Traveled through whole Australia. Then at the beginning of 2019, I came to Dubai to work on a project with a mentor of mine. We generated over $1 million in sales in 45 days. You can see it over here, right? This beginning of 2019, 45 days, €1 million actually. And the cool thing is, it was with an Instagram account that had less than 15,000 followers. And after I've even been able to scale my own business to over $100,000 a month at the beginning of 2022. Of course, I continued. Nowadays my business makes over $500,000 a month. And for the last couple of years, I've been traveling the world, running my business while that. I moved into my dream apartment. If you want to check it out, there's a room tour on YouTube. I bought my dream cars, a Lamborghini Huracan and a Mercedes G63 at the age of 22. And I was even able to, host an absolutely amazing mastermind with one of my mentors, Ty Lopez, in Cannes. It was mind-blowing. And we talked about it before. I've helped not thousands, but hundreds of people to scale their business, right? Phil, for example, from 30K a month to over $3 million a month, right? And it's absolutely amazing, to see that hard work pays off, because the cool thing is, you don't just make money for yourself, but you can also give back. At the end of 2021, I surprised my mom with a brand new car for Christmas, and all of that thanks to Instagram theme pages, right? And because they make $100,000 plus per month. Now, some of you guys might be asking, Niklas, what is an Instagram theme page? How does it work? So I actually have some links over here, and I will show you some of my theme pages so you can study them, take a look at them, and see exactly what I do to make money. But one of them is Money Focus, right? And as you can see, my face isn't there. You can't see me, right? It's a page where we simply post business content, motivational content in reels, quotes, etc., etc. It has 1.3 million followers. Another page of mine all around business has over 600,000 followers. Words for Millionaires, over 350,000 followers, right? And I've all grown them organically by simply reposting other people's content. And then the way how I make money with it is by simply selling other people's products and by selling shoutouts, right? And that's the cool thing about theme pages, right? They're easy to grow. You can just repost other people's content. You don't have to show yourself, and you can make money without having your own product, right? You can simply sell shoutouts, which are advertisements. You can do affiliate marketing, which is you sell someone else's product, so you don't have to create everything yourself. Or, of course, you can also create your own product, right? Now, the best part is that you can automate absolutely everything, right? You can just hire freelancers. They post all the content. They do all the stories. They do everything. And the pages just run and grow, make money. They're kind of like digital real estate, right? And the truth is, with Money Focus, for example, I think I haven't even been logged into the page for the last 2 or 3 months, right? But my team runs everything. The page makes over $50,000 a month. And my clients have been able to get similar results. right? So for example, Eva, she grew the page Woman CEO Gossip, and she's now making over $200,000 a month with her Instagram page that has just 500,000 followers, right? You can see it over here. Here's a screenshot. She made $190,000 in September 2023. She started the page end of 2022. So within 1 year, she went from zero to $200,000 a month, basically, right? Valentino, another client of mine, he's also pretty young. He's like 22 or something, 21 years old. He grew his page from 0 to 500,000 followers, and he actually made over $500,000 before the age of 18, right? Phil, I showed him to you before. He got insane results. He got to over $3 million a month. Andy from Greystone Trading, I started working with him when he was at $100,000 a month. Now he's at actually over $1.5 million a month. But yeah, the screenshot that you can see over here just shows, he got to $500,000 a month, right? Another case study over here, this is from Matt Parr. He's running kind of like an undercover personal brand. He went from 0 to over $100,000 a month in less than 6 months. You can see it over here. And yeah, here's some more case studies: Confidently Woman, Benjamin, Lenny, Richard. Here's some reviews and testimonials even from Jason Stone. He's the owner of Millionaire Mentor, one of the biggest Instagram platforms, and he said Instagram is the hottest social media platform, and building a following is the key to making money online. And he literally said, go learn from Niklas, check out his Instagram University, and you can learn how you can build a following, make 4, 5, even 6 figures per month on Instagram, right? Now, enough about my story and what I've achieved and about theme pages. By this time, I think you have a pretty good idea about what business I'm running and what I do to make money. And what I want to do is I want to invite you to my brand new private test group and mentorship program for 2024, right? This is for a limited amount of people. We'll close it pretty soon once spots are gone. But what you will basically get access to with this private test group is absolutely everything that you need to go from 0 to $10,000 a month with Instagram, right? The first thing that you will get access to is my highest level coaching program. You will literally get access to 300 plus HD video lessons in which I will show you step by step from A to Z how you can build a following on Instagram, how you can turn your followers into true fans even without showing yourself, and how you can start making money with Instagram even without having your own product, right? We literally have thousands of reviews for this coaching program. If you go to Trustpilot, Trustpilot, Niklas Pedde, right? You can search it up on Google, right over here. We have over 1,900 reviews by now. I thought 1,500. It's nearly 2,000 reviews, and it's on average 4.6 stars. Excellent, right? And you will get access to that advanced coaching program where we also talk about personal branding, funnels, monetization, absolutely everything, right? The next thing that you get access to is a 90% done for you business. Because, in the last 7 years, I've worked, as I said, with hundreds or even thousands of people from all around the world, and I've shown them how to build a business online. And what most people struggle with is, it's easy for them to build a following if they use the strategies that we teach them. They literally sometimes grow hundreds of thousands of followers in, under a month, right? But then they don't have a product. They don't know how to monetize. And that's why my team and I created a 90% done for you business where, you can just purely focus on building your following, and then you just send your followers into a done for you business, right? Into our funnel, and you get paid a 50% commission, basically become business partners, right? So with this test group, you also get access to the 90% done for your business. You also get access to the Consulting Club event recording with Ty Lopez. We hosted an event in Cannes last year with Ty, and it has over, 15, 16, 17 hours of content. Phil was there, Andy was there. So many of my high-level entrepreneur friends who make 8, even 9 figures a year were on the event. And you will get access to the full recording. On top of that, you will get access to 17 behind-the-scenes case studies of some of our most successful clients. You'll get the case study of Confidently Woman, of the Undercover Millionaire, of Leon, of Valentino, right, who made over $500,000. You will get access to the case study of femme entrepreneurs, of Victoria. She went from 0 to over now 500,000 followers. Of Luke, from who grew his page, The Hitters Lab, from 0 to 100,000 followers. And just a bunch of case studies so that you can have behind the scenes information and get the behind the scenes strategies that my clients from all around the world in different niches use to get amazing results, right? On top of that, you will get access to exclusive interviews that I did with 7, 8, and even 9-figure entrepreneurs. One of the interviews, if you go to my YouTube channel, I did it recently. I'll show you really fast. If you search Niklas Pedde, you can go over here, you can go to my channel, right? The last interview that I did was with Raul Plicat and Ty Lopez. Let me show you the intro. It's pretty cool. Here we go.
What did your family do in Brazil? 900 million.
If you have the same understanding as everyone else from a certain technology, you should know that you're in a bad place.
It's such a superpower. Sometimes I'm like, I don't even know why I can tell people this. It made the richest man in the world.
I don't agree with that.
Yeah, so as you can see, this is one of the interviews that I did with Tai Lopez and Raul Plikat, and there's so many other amazing interviews that are actually unpublished that I couldn't upload on YouTube because there's so much content inside and valuable strategies. But yeah, with the case study program, with the test group, you will get access to it. You of course have lifetime access. You'll get VIP support, right? Checklists, workbooks, action plans, and things that you can just simply follow, and monthly live calls, mentoring calls with me. So every month you can join those calls. You know, I will be your virtual mentor every step of the way. I'll be answering all of your questions live on camera, giving you the guidance to learning, to shorten your learning curve and to basically accelerate your results, right? And yeah, we talked about this already. You know, you get 90% done for your business. My clients and people who've used it, they've actually generated close to $1 million in sales, as you can see over here, in just like 5 months using the 90% done for your business, actually $748,000. And yeah, on top of that, you get 8 bonuses, funnel imports, my exact influencer marketing strategy. Yeah, there's a behind the scenes, this is actually pretty cool program where I document my journey to $1 million a month. You get the case study from business partners of mine. You know, they have grown one of their clients from 0 to 2.7 million followers, over $20 million in cash collected in under 2 years. You get an artificial intelligence content creation course. I'll teach you how to buy, sell, and flip Instagram theme pages, a personal branding course. You'll get a mindset program. And yeah, on top of that, we have a profit or pay nothing guarantee. So if you, within the next 60 days, if you follow the program, join the live calls, and implement everything, but don't at least make $1,000, then I will refund every single penny. And yeah, so here's the quick recap of what you'll get access to. You know, the highest level coaching program, 90% done for your business, consulting club, event recording, the case studies, the interviews, checklists, the VIP support, the monthly live calls with me, and all of the bonuses. And the cool thing is that, you know, normally we would charge a few $1,000s for it. Some people have even paid up to $8,978. We looked it up in the payment processor for all of this. But today, because it's a brand new private test group for 2024, you can get access for a one-time payment of $497, right? So if you're interested, just message me the word "I'm in" on WhatsApp, or message it to my team. You know, if you've been chatting to my team, if we've been chatting on Instagram, message me the word "I'm in," and then I will send you this private link to the mentorship program where you can, you know, join for $497. Of course, we do also have payment plans, right? But yeah, if you're interested in that, message me "I'm in" on Instagram or on WhatsApp too, and yeah, my team will send you all the details, or I'll send you all the details. And yeah, so I'd say that's it for the video. One more time, message me the word "I'm in" on WhatsApp or Instagram if you want to get started and if you want to learn the exact strategies that my clients, business partners, students, and I use to make $100,000 plus per month with Instagram. And if you want to get a proven blueprint that you can use to build your own 6-figure dream business with the power of Instagram. And yeah, I am super excited to see you inside the program, and we'll talk soon. Bye-bye.